Hello, good morning everyone. I am Nadeem Malim, instructor for computer technology for computer and PC&OE, and inshallah today's topic is about computers, parts and laptop parts, and you will see many things in that, and I will share with you if some pictures are not clear to view you, to understand you. So inshallah you can have a look on WhatsApp group. I will share with you all the slides, the presentation and the PDF files, even some links, so which will be helpful for you, for make you understand nicely. Okay, so we will start on this, and this is the Siha online training program. So as you know, you are following this thing before also with other instructors. So I will start with the presentation. Parts of computer: identify computer parts, internal data cables and ports. We are using before this about we're using this cable FDD, floppy disk cable. It's look like this, just to make you understand. Maybe it's not too clear to understand, but I'll send you already the file on your WhatsApp group, so please do study well, so you will able to answer the questions for the quiz which I will take from you online. Okay, inshallah. IDE cable for hard disk, for CD-ROM. Okay, SATA cable for hard disk and CD-ROM. You can see here SCSI cable, SCSI cable, SCSI cable for hard drive. Okay, then power cable for Molex cable for power connection for CD-ROM and hard drive. Before we are using this cable, Birch cable for floppy disk drive, ATX 20 pins power cable for motherboard. You want to put a power supply. Okay, so we use this cable. You have done this in your labs, so just to give you a brush up. SATA power cable for CD-ROM or DVD-ROM and for hard drive. About RAM, there are some different types of RAM in desktop computer and laptop. Difference is size, you know this. Before we are using SD-RAM, it's 128 pin, okay, and then after that DDR-RAM 184 pins, then DDR3 RAM 240 pins, after that DDR2 RAM 240 pins again. And now what we are using, the latest technology of RAM is DDR4 RAM is 284 pins. Okay, this is all about the desktop computers. And now we'll start with a laptop RAM memory module. So 20 pins DDR RAM, and then DDR3 RAM 204 pins, then DDR2 RAM 200 pins, and then DDR4 is 256 pins RAM. So this also you can find in the WhatsApp. Laptop and desktop cards, very important. What is the thing over here? Laptop cards: mini PCI card, mini PCIe card, and mini PCIe half height. So this is for modem, wireless. Okay, for that purpose we use this card, and even for display also sometime. Okay, yes, we do have this card in laptops. Now about desktop cards, there are slots. This is all about slot. These are PCI slot, AGP slot, and PCIe. Okay, different types of slots for different cards. Okay, so here you can see the different cards. You can see here different cards like for different slots. Like if you want to use PCI slot for many things, like example, if you want to see, like you don't have a network card in your computer, so now what you will do? you can use this slot and you can put the card in it, a LAN card, okay? And if you want to watch television in your system, additional, you can TV tune your card, you can add in PCI slot, so you can watch television in your computer. And after that, AGP is for graphics, specially designed for graphic. If you want to play high resolution games, so you can use AGP card to play a high resolution game. And now we have PCIe, different types, okay, for different purpose that I will discuss with you later on. Now about computer and laptop ports, but in this video, a typical thing about computers, an old computer, you can see this kind of this type of port, okay, a parallel port for printers, okay. Then you can see in old computers for mouse, PS2 mouse, PS2 keyboard, and all other ports for microphone, subwoofer, line in and line out for speaker, okay. And then here serial port, 9-pin serial port for using, before we are using this port for mouse also, okay. And now VGA, video graphical array port for video from monitor to from system to monitor. If you want to put, where you will put the connector in this port, and if you want to connect projector, you can connect it here, okay. And then DVI port, this is also for a video purpose only. And after that you have Ethernet cable for LAN, and then USB port for multi-purpose, okay. And here there are something additional new things are here, okay, as we discussed in last slide about serial parallel ports and the game port for joystick, okay. If you want to play joystick with joystick, so you can plug in your ports in this game port, okay, joystick port. Then again LAN port, modem port. In old type of system we use, in additional LAN card, with LAN card you have LAN port and modem port both together, all together, okay. Then audio mini jack sockets, you can see this you're using in laptop also, even if you want to use for your hands-free wireless headphone, we use this port. Then power connector, different types of power connector, C5, C7 and C13 type of power connector for your power adapter, a laptop, and for desktop also for direct connection. And here you can see VGA port and the types of ports, okay, for especially designed for video, okay. HDMI port, S-video, and VGA port. Then USB port types, all types, type A and type B, okay. Then you have FireWire port, especially you can see this in Macintosh computers, okay. And after that eSATA port, a short port is there in your laptop if you want to connect hard drive directly, so you can use this port. And after that display port, yes. So if you have any questions, you can ask me on WhatsApp. I will explain you, I will give you more detail on it. And if you will see the pictures, you will understand very nicely, because here I might be, the picture is not too clear. So next, this picture is too blur, I know, but in your mobile, if you will see this, you will able to understand, inshallah. Now parts of laptop. This is the laptop, and it is like open laptop. So I will tell you what are the names of this. Like this is first one. This one is the display assembly, then keyboard, then palm rest assembly where your mouse pad is there, okay. Then you have flexed optical drive like a CD-ROM or DVD-ROM or rewritable DVD writer. Okay, then you have storage module. Then here you have inches to open and close your lead screen. Okay, and then you have thermal cooler assembly, system board, your main motherboard of the laptop. After that you have hard drive, your hard disk. Okay, then bottom chassis assembly, and last main battery. So this is the assembly of this are the parts of laptop. And again, one more new thing, like in other angle, or some new things will be add on. So this is the laptop, and now this laptop has been disassembled. So you can see now the cover display assembly. Okay, the cover display assembly. This is the screen, and this is the assembly, whole assembly of your LCD or LED screen. Okay, then this is the keyboard. Again, the palm rest assembly, and left speaker, and these are the speakers, hard drive, main battery, then modular device, thermal assembly. This is your heatsink fan, hybrid cooling fan. Okay, the main system board or motherboard, then cooling fan guard, bottom case assembly, and your memory module cover, where you put the RAM, everything in it. If you will have any question, I will happy to help you for this session. And inshallah, next week we will continue with the same, some new topics. Okay, so I really appreciate for watching this video, and I thank you once again. And if you have any question, WhatsApp group, we are having WhatsApp group, you can connect me on WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.